2014 Chevrolet Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, remote vehicle start, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.